So I said in a previous video that that bench there is going to go goodbye, and that day has come. So I've got to move the thicknesser, but I've also got to store that somewhere. That is my issue.
So luckily the bandsaw is away for repairs and I can move the thicknesser onto the stand. That's given me enough room to manoeuvre. Let's go and make something.
But it's also a good chance for me to sort it and throw out some of the bits that I really don't need anymore. We'll sort out what we're going to keep and what we're going to throw away or burn. Ugh, burning. This is the remains of our old bed. And if you go to my blog, which I'll put a link down below, this is before YouTube. From our old bed, I made a headboard. That's basically empty. Now I've just got to pull it apart. And don't ask where the wood actually went, because this place is like the TARDIS. Bigger on the inside. I actually don't actually know where half of it went myself.
So you can actually see how sturdy this bench actually was. It was very stable. It was made out of fence posts and a few other bits and pieces. However, I do think I over-engineered it just a little bit.
I think I over-engineered that bench. So I'm guessing you're wondering why I've done this. Why I've taken down this bench that used to be here. Well, you can't put up new stuff if there's no room. You've got to have some give and take. So, I bought something. Which are in those boxes there. Let's have a look, see what it is. So this is the actual fence. Now I won't actually pull this out just yet. Right. So I just want to put the frame up. You're just watching a guy unpack. And throwing rubbish behind you. Right. From that, we might get rid of some rubbish. Dooby dooby doo. Toe bones connected to your foot bone. Your foot bones connected to your heel bone. Your heel bones connected to your ankle bone. Your ankle bones connected to your leg bone. Your leg bones connected to the... Ooh, what's this part? Oh, powder coating. Is sometimes, being brand new, some of the powder coating makes the thread difficult to start. It is the router lift in there. You lock down this part and you can micro adjust it with this. Slowly moves it into your measurement and then lock it down. The fence just sits in the wee holder there. Router lift. So it's all there, and for the time being I've got the insert plate remover just hanging up here. Don't know why I've got two of them. Oh yes I do. Because I have the router lift, the table actually came with another insert plate. So I've actually got a spare insert plate. On this wall here I've got a few old French cleats, which I will probably end up making a router bit holder, and maybe to hold other bits and pieces. So hopefully you will actually see me doing a little bit more routering. My router jig that I had, that used to be at the end of my bench here, just over time it needed rebuilding, and I thought no, it's time to actually upgrade it. And it actually came warped because it was the MDF I used was a bit thin, so over time it actually became warped and I wasn't getting an accurate enough cut with it. So I decided to buy this. It's not MDF, it is the next level up, phenolic or something. I just think it's called. It's a phenolic top. I believe it's equivalent to HDF, heavy density or something. So therefore it's a little bit more stable, apparently. I can already hear people going, why didn't I just make one? Well, here's the main reason. I was always going to buy the top, and I was always going to buy the fence, which just left the stand and making the cabinet. Now for those in America, wood here in New Zealand is not cheap. It is quite expensive comparatively, and to make a nice cabinet it was cheaper just to buy the stand that came with the table. Pretty sure I could buy the top and the fence separately. However, for the extra couple of $100 to buy the actual stand that came with it, I couldn't get the wood or the plywood and all the rest of it cheap enough to make one. So it was a purely budget thing. Later on I may make one and use the stand for something else. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon That way, you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.